Good afternoon, this is Nicholas with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors performing a video inspection for the main sewer line at 16835 Vincennes Street, Northridge. Our first inspection was from the roof, and we got to see some of the pipe underneath the house by starting there. But now that we've seen that pipe underneath the house, the portion that's visible, we're going to go ahead and move on outside the house. Before we move too deep into this inspection, it's important to highlight that we focus on the pipe exterior to the house. It was nice to be able to see some of the pipe underneath the house today, but we do not focus on that pipe because we can't give you as reliable indicators or as reliable information underneath the house as we can when we're exterior to the house. Alright, we have an access right here on the front corner of the house. Head right on in. Okay, so we actually saw this section of pipe once before on the previous video, but we're seeing it again. This is a clay section of pipe as we start to head away from the house itself. See a little bit of roots in the line. These we saw as well on the last video, and then I think we ended off that last video somewhere right around here. Now we're going to start seeing pipe that we did not see on the last video. Let's keep going. Still clay pipe material. Clay is a material which does not rust. It doesn't erode. So it doesn't have a limit to how long it might possibly continue to last. You see a transition here where we go from one joint to the next. But we also see that the pipe is not perfectly aligned at this location, seeing that it's just moved off to the side there, one section of the pipe. Here we see another example of that, except in this case it's on the bottom of the pipe where we see that, and there's a puddle of water sitting there as well. Make a turn to the left. This is a special kind of turn which can allow for a sideline connection to take place here at 32 feet 6 inches. It's going to take just a moment to locate where this is before we continue too much farther into the line.
Yeah, right?
No, I love you, bud.
Have you seen it before? Yeah.
I know, I just can't remember his name. Alright. Okay, here we go. We're about 3 feet deep out there near the front door in the planter area. See some roots, but we also see some spider webs in the line. See a bit of cracking here at 35 feet 4 inches. There's some hairline cracking up here just past the joint. Got a few roots coming in through that as well. What do we have here? This is appears to be a septic tank at 36 feet 4 inches. This would be something that is interposed between the house and the street. It's unclear whether or not the house would even connect to the street after this location. We're going to see if the other access goes to the septic tank as well. That's going to be very interesting to find out today. Okay, this is where we have to end the video today. This is going to require some work for the house to be done. Please see the next video for more information and the written report for the final findings and recommendations. Thank you.
That's interesting.